How to funnel more qualified leads and referral traffic to all your marketing channels with a giveaway. Giveaways, sweepstakes, and competitions are all great tools that you can integrate into your complete internet marketing plan to move qualified leads deeper into your conversion funnel. In this lesson, we are going to show you how you can funnel more qualified leads and referral traffic to all your marketing channels with a giveaway campaign in 2019 and 2020. Setting up a giveaway campaign the easy way. The best way to set up giveaway campaigns in 2019 and 2020 is by using contest platforms. In this lesson, we are going to use Gleam, a contest platform that allows you to run unlimited competitions for free. Go to your Gleam account after signing up and click on the New Competition button. Now enter the name of your new contest in the name field. Here you can add an actionable phrase and include the name of your prize. This will help you encourage users to participate and share the contest. Now select the start and end dates of your giveaway campaign using the calendar functions on this screen. Now click on the User Details tab and paste your Facebook page's URL in the Allow Users to Like a Facebook Page field. Now click on the How to Enter tab. On this page, you will be able to select how contestants will earn their entries. As you can see here, you can refer traffic to all your marketing channels as entry methods. For example, a user that reaches your contest through your website will have to visit your Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram profiles to earn additional entries. This strategy allows you to generate lots of referral traffic to all your channels. In this example, we'll add website visit, YouTube visit, Facebook visit, Instagram visit, and Twitter follow as entries to our campaign. Let's start by adding the website visit entry. First, click on the Visit a Page option from the Entry Method menu. Now move over the Visit a Page column to customize this entry. Start by adding a call to action, inviting leads to visit your website into the title field. Now enter the number of valid entries participants earn into the Worth Number of Entries box. Now check the Mandatory option. Now enter your website or landing page URL into the Link URL field. Now enter CTA text into the Button text field. Now let's add the YouTube entry. Click on the YouTube icon. Now click on Visit YouTube Channel. Enter your YouTube channel URL into the Channel URL field and check the Mandatory and Require Authentication options. Let's now add the Facebook entry. Click on the Facebook icon. Now click on the Visit on Facebook option. Now enter the URL of your Facebook page in the URL field, select the Like the Page option below, and check the Mandatory option. Let's now add the Twitter entry. Click on the Twitter icon. Click on the Follow on Twitter option. Enter your Twitter handle in the username field and check the Mandatory box. Let's now add the Instagram entry. Click on the Instagram icon. Click on the Visit Instagram Profile option. Enter your username or Instagram profile URL in the Username or Profile URL field and check the Mandatory box. As you can see, there are several other marketing channels that you can add as entries, including LinkedIn, Pinterest, Snapchat, and Twitch. Other entry methods that will help you to increase referral traffic and generate leads include Viral Share and subscribe to a newsletter. Now click on the Prize tab. Enter the name of your prize in the title field. Select the number of winners you'll pick and enter a description of the prize. Now click on Save to finish creating this giveaway. And that's it! You can now share this contest by embedding it to a page on your website, by sharing the giveaway's landing page URL, and by adding a Facebook tab for this giveaway on your Facebook pages.